Excited about this sister. This is my friend right here, y'all. She's a Grammy Award winner. She's a reality star, and she's a pastor. Please give it up for my friend, Miss Leandria Johnson.
You don't know my story. All the things that I've been through. You can't feel my pain. What I had to go through to get here. You'll never understand my brain. Don't try to figure it out, because my worst